Today's lesson is Best Buys. It is part of the budgeting lesson that we didn't do because I was absent. So what is a Best Buy? Basically, it's figuring out which option is cheaper, and that is the Best Buy. These are the steps to determine the Best Buy. First, you work out the price per unit. I'll show you the formula for that on the next slide. Next, you compare the price per unit. And lastly, whichever option is cheapest is the best buy. This is the formula to work out the price per unit. Price per unit equals cost divided by quantity. So per unit means per one item or 1 unit of measurement. When we know this, we can then compare it to find the cheapest option. Cost just means like the price, and quantity is the amount. Let's do some examples. We want to know which is the best buy, apples from Will's Greengrocer or from Veggies Galore. So I need to work out the price per unit. So to do that, I do the cost divide by the quantity. So the cost of the apples here, it's $1.50, and that's for 3, so the quantity is 3. Pop that in the calculator, equals 0.50, so 50 cents per apple or per unit. Veggies Galore, cost divide by quantity. Cost is $3, quantity is 5. Pop that in the calculator, 0.60. So now I compare the price per unit, and I'm looking for the cheapest one. So the cheapest one is Will's Greengrocer. So this is the best buy. Next example. We're trying to figure out which bag of potatoes is the best buy. So I need to work out the price per unit. So that's the cost divide by the quantity. So the cost of this one here is $1.70, and the quantity is 1 kilo. Pop that in the calculator and it equals $1.70. This next bag here, cost divide by quantity. So the cost of this bag is $4.10. Divide by the quantity, which is 2.5 kilos. Pop that in the calculator and it equals 1.64. So I'm looking for the cheapest option here, which is this one. So this is the best buy. So you see these sauce bottles at the supermarket and you're wanting to work out which is the best buy. So you need to work out the price per unit. So cost divide by quantity. So the cost is $1.20, quantity 220 mils. Pop that in the calculator, it equals 0.005. So that's like saying 1 mil is 0.005 of a dollar. Okay, the next one, cost divide by quantity, $1.75 divide by 400 mils. Pop that in the calculator, 0.004. So not much difference, but this one is a cheaper option. It's the best buy. Last example from the textbook. Soft drink is sold in convenient packs at the local store. Carton of 36 cans at $22.50 and a 6-pack of cans for $5. Which is the cheapest way? Do you guys reckon you know before we work it out? Usually if you buy in bulk, the bigger amount is often cheaper. We'll see if that is true. So cost divide by quantity. So the cost of the carton is $22.50 and the quantity, there's 36 in there. Pop that in the calculator, 0.625. So that's how much it is per can. So 62 cents per can. The 6-pack cost divided by quantity. So the cost is $5. Quantity is 6 equals 0.833. So that's how many cents per can. So this one is the cheaper option. So it is the Best Buy. Just as a little side note, so the supermarket now works it out for you often. So they'll tell you the price and the amount in grams, but then down the bottom it works out the price per unit. So 63 cents per 100 grams, or here, or how much per litre. So you can always check these to figure out the Best Buy. I would like you to complete the Best Buys worksheet and submit it to My Panola.